A is for apple. Apple. B is for banana. Banana.
C is for cherry. Cherry.
D is for date fruit. Date fruit. E is for elderberry. Elderberry. F is for fig. Fig. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for honeyberry. Honeyberry. I is for Indian jujube. Indian jujube. J is for jackfruit. Jackfruit. K is for kiwi. Kiwi.
Wow! Yummy!
L is for lemon. Lemon.
Wow!
M is for mango. Mango. N is for nectarine. Nectarine. O is for orange. Orange. P is for papaya. Papaya. Q is for quince. Quince. R is for raspberry. Raspberry. S is for strawberry. Strawberry. T is for tangerine. Tangerine. U is for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. V is for velvet apple. Velvet apple. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for zigua. Zigua. Zigua is a Chinese name for watermelon. Y is for yellow passion fruit. Yellow passion fruit. Z is for ziziphus. Ziziphus.